Join us in a tour of CISO Cosmetics. Located in the capital city of God's own country, Kerala, we manufacture products that make your day-to-day life easier, safer, and healthier. CISO Cosmetics stepped into the cosmetic manufacturing industry in the year 1989, with a prolonged vision to develop all categories of cosmetic products. Our workforce of 60 employees work meticulously to bring out these wonderful commodities that cater to all groups of society. Our factories are equipped with state-of-the-art machinery that make our processes quick, precise, and hassle-free. Our production unit manufactures hair color shampoos, aloe vera and herbal shampoos, and hand washes. We have also diversified into other products like N95 masks and sanitizers. All work in our production unit is carried out by a team of very experienced and seasoned professionals. They are overseen regularly to ensure the absolute best quality. Have a quick look at our factories. Our R&D team works magic in our laboratories, coming up with groundbreaking ideas every day. With efficient supervision, they oversee these revolutionary ideas to completion. Our back-end administration works with a strong customer-centric work culture. At the heart of CISO is an extreme desire to work towards customer satisfaction. Our team works day and night to actualize this dream. From R&D to production, to marketing and sales, our team operates in cohesion to deliver excellence on a daily basis. Our CSR division, CISO CSR, constantly works for the welfare of our society. Their endeavors benefit employees, the farming community, and the coastal community on a regular basis. The key to any organization's success is leadership. Our founders work with an unparalleled vision to actualize their goal of building a global brand within God's own country. With their amazing foresight and perseverance, CISO will continue to deliver world-class products from Kerala to the world. We dream of the day every household on earth will experience the quality of CISO products.